Have you guys ever heard of incurable diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, or Huntington's disease? What if I said that there is a simple solution, a cure to all of these diseases, and it's called embryonic stem cell treatment? Now before we go into that, let me introduce myself. My name is Alia Nurmaisarah, and I am taking Bachelor of Science in Biotechnology in UPM. Okay, so back to embryonic stem cell treatment. So I'm sure you guys know that we all come from embryos. You know, egg cells and sperm cells fuse, and then we grow into an embryo. Like, that's normal. But I'm not talking about a natural embryo. I'm talking about cloned embryo. So basically, scientists will take any cell from our body, hair cell, kidney cell, or whatever cell you have, and then they will take the nucleus of that cell and insert it into an egg cell. And then you will get an egg cell, but with a different nucleus on it. And then this egg cell will be left to grow for, 14 days, and then it will become a cloned embryo. Now, in the embryo, there is what is called stem cells. Now this is the good stuff. Stem cells can specialize themselves into any cell you can think of, like anything. Now, remember those incurable diseases I talked about? Well, stem cells can manipulate themselves to form nerve cells or brain cells to replace the ones that are broken. And that is how stem cells can cure these diseases. Now, additionally, stem cells can also be made from kidney cells. And then when they differentiate and they proliferate, you can get an actual cloned kidney. And patients won't have to wait like a long waiting list for an available kidney, basically. And also, patients won't have to worry about the organ being rejected from the body because the organ is made from their own DNA. So why haven't we used it already? Well, in this video, I am going to share with all of you about two major controversies that's been revolving around this stem cell issue. First, in regards to the embryos, and the second is how women can become at risk in support of this treatment. And lastly, I will tell you where I stand in the light of this issue. Okay, regarding the first issue, now some people may say that the cloned embryo itself is a human being, and that human being has the right to life. Therefore, destroying it after taking the stem cells from the embryos, people will see it as killing a human being. Outrageous, right? But I think this issue really comes down to our own personal opinion. When do you think we were given souls, life to us? Some people may think it's at the moment of conception, or maybe when the vital organs have developed in our body when we're fetus, or maybe when we come out of our mothers. Maybe that is where we are given life. Who knows? And is there really a right answer to this question? Now, I believe scientists only see embryos as just another bundle of cells, and that's why they can do research on it and not have a problem doing it. Okay, moving on to the second issue in regards for women. Like I explained earlier, scientists need eggs to make these embryos, right? And we get eggs from women. If, let's say, 10 to 15 eggs are needed to make just one cloned human embryo, imagine how many eggs from women we need to support this type of research. And taking eggs from women are not as easy as taking sperm, okay? Women will have to undergo surgeries, be given hormone medications, and they can also suffer long-term health risks after the surgery. Now, it's not all bad news. There has been a recent study where eggs from women will not be required, but it is still in its early stages of research, so there's no guarantee for it currently. Moreover, laws have been regulated to ensure women are not exploited in this type of issue. The medications that will be given are monitored, and also they will be paid sufficiently, so good for them. Okay, so we've reached the end. So for me, I am currently for this type of research. Now, don't get mad, but in my personal opinion, despite the right to life of embryos or the right to health of these women, I believe we should prioritize the right to health of numerous existing patients that requires stem cell treatment. I believe the potential for humans to gain the highest attainable standard of health should not be overlooked because of these issues. That will be all from me this time. See you next time, maybe. Big maybe. Goodbye.